Lesson 5, a gimmick for learning. Catherine, most Greek textbooks just throw the entire Greek alphabet at you on the very first page of the book. There's a chart that says, here's the Greek alphabet, and you're just expected to learn it and immediately start reading the Greek alphabet. That can be a challenge for new students.
Right, exactly. It can be a little overwhelming, particularly at first.
And so in my book, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to let the reader absorb each letter one at a time and get used to it slowly with some repetition and some practice. Because my main goal as a writer of these textbooks is to remove obstacles from the path of the learner. You know, all the things that can stop you from learning, that can block you and make you want to quit. I try to remove all those obstacles from the path of the learner. And so that's one of the obstacles I'm trying to remove, is the idea that you just have to learn all the letters of the Greek alphabet all at once.
Right.
I mean, let's be honest, that can be tough, even for the most motivated learner.
Yeah, and particularly when trying to do it all at the same time. It just can get overwhelming and confusing, as opposed to taking it step by step and going and mastering one letter and then going to the next letter and the next letter.
So in this book, we're going to do a special gimmick. A sophisticated pedagogical technique.
Of course.
That's what I meant to say. And what it is we're going to spell out English words with Greek letters. So the letters will be in Greek, but it will be spelling out a word that you can recognize as an English word. And so hopefully with this kind of method or gimmick, I guess, you can start to get accustomed to sounding out and reading the Greek letters before we actually attempt reading Greek words. And it gives you a chance to really practice sounding out the letters and getting used to what they look like, getting accustomed to how they sound, and even getting accustomed to some of the special markings like breathing marks, which we'll study in a moment. So hopefully this system will allow you to succeed and get accustomed to the Greek alphabet in a way that is doable and not too overwhelming.